Greetings from Engramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Okay, now that you know who we are, let's focus on today's topic. Do you find creating contact forms confusing? Or maybe you just don't want to pay a monthly fee for something as simple as a contact form on your WordPress website. If that sounds like you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a completely free, fully functional contact form for your WordPress website using Contact Form 7. No coding experience required, no subscription, and no unnecessary extras. By the end of this video, you will have a working contact form that helps you collect leads, communicate with visitors, and grow your business. Let's get started. Why use Contact Form 7? Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about why Contact Form 7. There are lots of form plugins out there. Some are beautiful, some are powerful, and many of them charge monthly fees. Contact Form 7 is different. It's 100% free, lightweight, and reliable. It focuses on doing one thing well, sending messages that work, and it has millions of active installation. As you can see, active installation is 10 million plus, which means it's trusted and well maintained. It's not fancy or flashy, but it gets the job done. And for many websites, that's exactly what you need. Let's see how to install the Contact Form 7. First, we'll go to our WordPress dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard. From the plugins, we'll click Add Plugin. And if we click on this popular, usually you will see this form Contact Form 7. But if you don't get this plugin in here, just use this search box and search for Contact Form 7 and you will get the plugin. Now we will click on Install Now. It will take a few seconds to install the plugin. The quick tip is, if you are working on a live website, it's always smart to back up your site first. I will link a backup tutorial in the video description. We'll click on Active. After activating the plugin, we'll get a contact menu in here. Now let's talk about creating your first form. Click on this contact. Basically, you will notice that Contact Form 7 automatically creates a default form for you, which is perfect for beginners. Let's rename it to something simple, like if we click on this edit, and we can rename it from here Contact Form Simple, and we can save it to rename the contact form. And if we click on this contact forms again, as you can see, the form has been renamed. If we click on this edit again and we scroll in here, you will see the form editor. It may look a little like code, but don't worry, it's much easier than it looks. Here is what you are saying: a name field, your name, an email field, which is your email, a subject and a message, and then the submit button. Each field has a label that the visitor sees and a form tag, what Contact Form 7 uses behind the scenes. Once you understand that, everything starts to make sense. And again, after making all the changes in here, we can click Save. Now let's talk about adding the form to a page. Go to Pages. If you already has the Contact Us page, you can edit that, or you can create a new page. For example, Add Page. We'll name it Contact Us. By using this plus icon, we'll search for Contact Form 7. And from this drop down, we'll select the form we have created or rename the contact form. Let's select Contact Form Simple and we'll hit Publish. And let's view this page, and our contact form has been created, and this is how easy it is to show the Contact Form 7 forms to the front end. Now let's see how to add more fields. Let's say you want to collect phone numbers. To add the fields, we need to go to the contact forms. We'll click Edit. First, let's copy this one and paste it in here. After that, we will remove this one. First, we will remove it as well. We will say telephone and we'll click tel. You don't have to make it required unless you want to. For example, we will not make this required field, the field name, we have the class attribute, length, default value. You can use it as well. If you don't want to change these things, you can click on insert tag. The tag has been inserted. Now we will click save. Save can be done from here as well. So let's go to the front end. We'll reload this page. As you can see, our telephone field has been added. In this way, you can add as many fields you want. If you go to the contact form 7 editor again, you will see by default contact form 7 includes text field, email fields, telephone fields, number fields, date picker, text area, drop downs, checkbox, radio button, file uploads, acceptance checkbox, great for terms and condition. And if you need more, there are dozens of free add-ons available. Now let's talk about configuring email notification, which is the mail tab. From here, you can configure all the email notification. Now let's make sure the form actually sends emails. Go to the email tab. This controls who received the email, what email says, and how replies work. By default, the email is sent to the site admin email and replies go directly to the sender's email address. You will see placeholder like your name, your email, your message, and so on. This match the fields in your form. If you added a phone number field, make sure to also add it in the email body so you actually receive that information. You can also do the following: send the form to multiple email address or enable mail to send confirmation emails to the visitor. So this is the use email to. Mail to is an additional mail template often used as an autoresponder. Now let's talk about custom messages and settings. If you click on these messages, from here you can customize success message, error message, validation notice. The defaults are great, but feel free to adjust them to match your brand voice. For example, thank you for your message. It has been sent. Let's change it. Sent to Engramium, and we will hit save. In this way, you can change all the messages. From the additional settings, you can enable advanced features like only allow logged in users, demo mode, skipping mail delivery. There are lots of options that you can achieve. Please note that you need to use custom code. If you would like to know more details about additional settings, you can click in here and you will get the official documentation. Now let's test the contact form. So this is the contact form we have created or we have added to the page. Always test your form, fill it out, submit it, and check the following: the confirmation message, your inbox, any file attachment. If it works, then you are done. For example, your name. This is a test name, email @example.com. This is test, telephone 0081234. This is the message. Now we will click on submit. As you can see, as per our own configuration, it's saying thank you for your message. It has been sent to Engramium. So this is how easy it is to create contact form. Now I have shown you how to use the default contact form 7. If you want to create contact form by your own, you can do that by clicking add contact form. In this way, you need to just add the name. This is the name, and you will hit save, and all the settings and configuration are the same. And if you click on integration, you will see the integration as well. For example, it has the integration with Brevo, Akismet, reCAPTCHA, Stripe, and so on. You now have a free professional contact form collecting leads on your website. And that's it. You have successfully created a contact form 7 form from the scratch. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.